This is the moment we've all been waiting for. I am going to plug this brand new, from scratch, monster Goliath elephant in my front room. We are now going to turn it on. There it goes. Oh yeah. One of these new buttons down here. Hey babies, so far so good. We got it lit up like a Christmas tree. But now we need to find it on the monitor over here. Come on, baby, let's see here. Oh, good. It's detecting something. Look at this, I'm so excited. Oh, I worked so hard on it for 2 days, but it took me 2 months to do all the... Yeah, sit up, please. Huh? PC. It's working. It's booting. It's booting. First time. It did it the first time. My God, I'm so happy with this. Look at this mess I'm making back here, but jeez. This is it, baby. We did it. Now all we have to do is load Windows, set up all the BIOS, get all the drivers updated.